We're at Clear Lake, Oregon. We're doing the 5-mile Clear Lake loop, which goes around the lake. The lake was formed by volcanoes, and there's petrified wood at the bottom. We might go take a kayak out or something, but we're going to walk the whole thing. It is, in fact, clear. Supposedly you can see all the way to the bottom. Still trekking on the hike. Turned my head back so far I dropped my glasses. Penny's got her fleece on. It was really cold this morning. We're driving down, leaving our camp at Holly Creek Road, and driving down the street doing 50 miles an hour, and you can see your breath. It's so cold. Gorgeous little creek here flowing into Clear Lake. This might be one of those creeks that we camped on. Oh, you decided to join the walk, huh? This lake is unreal. Can't believe I've never seen this till today. Let's go down there, Penny. Clear Lake, Oregon. One of my favorites so far. Nice and early in the morning. All the birds and little critters are out. She just decided she would go take a little dip in Clear Lake. It's actually kind of warm, surprisingly. Look at that fog. Let's get a little zoom on that one for you. People out there kayaking in the fog, fishing. I want to see some of the petrified wood. I might have to go out on the water to do that. But we're probably only halfway through the hike, so keep going. Alright, a couple miles into the hike around Clear Lake. Put Penny on the leash because, well, just in case. Oh, that's pretty gorgeous. I mean, now you see why it's called Clear Lake. You can literally see right to the bottom everywhere. Let me switch hands here. Penny, hold on. That's why I got her on the leash. She's always so curious. Walking right up to the edge. Alright, I'm gonna risk my phone here. Oh, that's reflection. Let's go on this side. Logs, trees, rocks. Straight down to the bottom. It's tough to see on the camera, but it's super sweet. So Holly Falls is just around the corner. We always stop there. Me, brothers and sisters and family who goes visiting Oregon always stop there. I had to turn it back on because these birds, I've been hearing them I think since Northern California. If anyone knows what they are, comment on the video. The other side of the lake starts to get real eerie. So clear, you can just see the bank right there. This is the ground. We were supposed to turn back around just to the Clear Lake loop to make it 5 miles, but we've extended ours a little bit and going around the lake. I think to go around the whole thing it'd be a lot more than 5. So we may just hit this cove, eventually switch back, putting us at about 6 miles or so. See right through that bad boy, it's crazy. Right down to the bottom. Bless you. Wherever that is. That's crazy. Off leash and Penny. I just can't get enough of this lake. Just it's super eerie that I can just look down there as I can. Throw the body there, I'd see it right there. No protection. Creepy. Let's roll, Penny. We're back at the river bridge. Penny and I were walking from this side. We switched back after about 5 miles, and we were at the center of this, and a little tiny chipmunk walks up this side, and we meet at the center point. I'm holding Penny in my hand at this point because I knew she would jump at the chipmunk. And he just stared at us. And if I let Penny out, there's no doubt she would have ended up over this bridge. So she's that dedicated to chasing chipmunks. One thing video can't do is show you smell. It smells great right here. It smells summer in the forest. Penny's just enjoying the view here. Warming up a little. Penny took off her fleece. Lake is so reflective when it's bright out. We just did about a, 7-mile hike. We're not done yet. Penny's drinking the lake. Penny, come here. She's afraid of. She was swimming after it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Sit there. Sit there. She's so wussy.